was told she took off her ring. I told I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said I'm moved with her, but I finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for longer, and ever after, and after whatever the other life's pain. In the mirror I saw him, and I closely watched him. I thought how he looked like a place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a straight look on his face. The big hands were hollows and looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead, but he started shaking. His big heart was breaking. He turned to the woman and said, "You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you heard in walking. You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy." After he left us, I ordered more whiskey. I thought how she made him look small. From the lights of the bar room to a rented hotel room, he walked without talking at all. She was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I'd lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, as the words that they told her kept coming back time after time. You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you heard in walking. You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy. You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you heard in walking. You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy. You pick a fine time to leave me, Lucy. Okay,
Sama rin dengan
Uncle Bertie.
yes. At ako request ni Mama Adela Tatay nga di Lucille. At di may request ni Ading Ronaldin Alonso di Tamara Buligos. Ayan, Uncle Bertie.
Arabangon mo agiin, para bukod iti kamutin, ang saang sa agiwayway itinwangon. Nagagot ni Uncle Bertie, natari pato iti dingwan, pagulidanan lasken at ularin. Hawan kanyan at panog, inang daw lataas sumalog, kuray makasinit may iti pudot. Nakaratag lata, kuray adasa kubanit na, agpastor no ang di panakainan na. Basta ni Uncle Bertie, sala sumangpet no ti malemen, at di kayat na rumangay panagbiyagan. Nalpas
tirara ito agbirok man ti panggidanan alat tiruta dundanin panagaapatin nge mapay tanaliday taabagang nalpay hindi na amuan na depresyo iti paglay ni Uncle Berting di pa yumisem napanpay kitin nakiinumin iem kunana sumulit ako next karapin sumaruno apa nagtatalon raip ken sikaket ni maton doble by presyo meten ti abonon awan kay kitin danong rigasyon ti gasolina iti padanon ni Uncle Berting nang salgan kalpanon tinan sama saka tadi makeleng ti pamilya tati baro na nagpaspasakit ng asawan nagragsak kay pakasar na balusiditoy balusidita ngem nalakunan kay may sangait karyan basta ni Uncle Berting sala sumangpet no ti malemen hanya narigat tinaglang rumangayon nadanap nito ni Uncle Berting isupayin at pang pagkatasin alat tiro maglawalong makayon at damay sa amalem anak kitak ni Uncle Berting nakatugaw agkatabi na kamulayleng awanen iti matalon inaamin analakon awan pa'y keteng kwan at mangkaripatin Arbangon mo agriin apa naghugot iti kamote idi sumangpet si malibukang ni Uncle Berting nagiti anak na agraman apo ko na nagraranada anapan din musika dahil na baliwan nagiti anak na iti kinagaget imalagaken kuana atan inhinyero doktor ken abogado ni Uncle Berting kanyang atatugubranan basta ni Uncle Berting sala sumangpet no ti malemen pinday ng anak na apasyarin alapunan ti dagdagana tapi nagpaadala na ngemitan man sumen ti balay na sikang ay karuba amuyo kadi isuna ni Uncle Berting tatantay isuna aramidan na ti amin kadatay nga anak na agsubalit na